Hello ladies and gentlemen, so now I'm doing a quick hands-on video of Redmi S2 for you guys. This one is the version of 4 GB plus 64 GB, which sold about $200. So first I'd like to introduce a little bit of the design. My first impression of this Redmi S2 is a little bit strange. Why? Because you can see this protruding thing. This black panel, this front panel, is pretty. It's just protruding too much. You can see this Mi Max 2, and you won't see this protruding panel, right? But I don't know why this Redmi S2 has that, and makes the hand feel, weird. Weird. I don't know why. But anyway, let's just move on. So on the left side is this SIM card slot, which enables you to install 2 SIM cards and one up to 256 GB storage expansion, and that's marvelous. That's marvelous. This is still the not Type-C port, which is a little bit disappointment. As you know, this year 2018. So the back is the dual camera setup, which features 5 megapixel plus 12 megapixel sensor, the fingerprint scanner. The good thing is it keeps this 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and that's really great. My overall first impression would be how to say it. I would say it's lightweight. It's lightweight, and feels a little bit weird at the same time, because this protruding. This is protruding. Anyway, this is the gray version, and here this is the champagne one. Which one do you prefer, guys? I would prefer this a little bit much, Next, I'm gonna take a few pictures, because the picture, the camera performance is the main selling point for this Redmi S2. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's try this. I will try to steal some photos and put to my Mi Max 2 phone, and I will compare, and I will look at details in computer, so I will give you a better idea of how it performs. Alright, let's just get started. I'm gonna use the portrait mode. Alright, this is the portrait mode. I can show you in computer. I'm gonna try the selfie mode. Okay. I'm now comparing the Redmi S2 with this one, Redmi 5 Plus. So this is the front panel. Which one do you prefer? Actually, to be honest, I really like the hand feel of Redmi 5 Plus. It got much better finish. When you feel it, the Redmi 5 Plus is well finished. Not like this Redmi S2 feels a little bit cheap and unsmooth. That's my honest opinion, right? And then let's compare this side. Actually, nothing, to compare. Oh yeah, another thing I want to mention is Redmi 5 Plus is Full HD screen, and this is 5.99 720p resolution. So as you can see, the screen Redmi 5 Plus is much better. Looks more detailed, and much better. Wow, Redmi 5 Plus is really really good handy. I mean, and they are in same price. Both sells at 1,299 RMB, which about $207. So why not just compare some pictures? Let's take some pictures. Redmi 5 Plus doesn't feature this bokeh effect.